Welcome to a journey of reflection on the preciousness of time, specifically, the time we have in this life. Picture each jellybean before you as a day of existence, each representing a moment within our finite lifespan. The average person is allotted roughly 28,000 of these jellybeans. Let's explore how we distribute them across the canvas of our lives. Firstly, consider the essential act of sleep. Approximately 8 hours a day dedicated to rest, essential for our physical and mental well-being. Next, reflect on the hours devoted to work or study, another 8 to 10 jellybeans sacrificed to sustain our careers and responsibilities. Then, there are the daily routines, eating, commuting, and personal care, which consume several more jellybeans. What remains are the precious moments of leisure, time for hobbies, relaxation, and connections with loved ones. Weekends and holidays provide a bit more flexibility, yet the overarching truth remains: time is a finite resource, to be cherished and utilized wisely. Let's delve deeper into the significance of each jellybean. Each represents an opportunity, a chance to pursue dreams, cultivate relationships, and experience the richness of life. How do we want to spend our jellybeans? How can we infuse purpose and meaning into each day? Consider the stories of individuals who have maximized their time, artists, explorers, and everyday heroes who find joy in simple moments. Imagine time not as something to be managed, but as something to be embraced fully. By prioritizing what truly matters, we can transform our lives and inspire others to do the same. Take a moment to envision your own jellybeans. How do you want to distribute them? What goals do you want to pursue, and what relationships do you want to nurture? As we conclude this exploration into the time you have, let's carry forward this perspective, an appreciation for the time we've been given and a commitment to living each day with intention. Let's make every jellybean count. Thank you for joining me on this journey.